Keeping your drinks and food icy cold has never been easier. At Tech Talk Reviews, we explore the best large coolers with wheels, featuring effortless transport, massive storage capacity, and long-lasting ice retention for all your outdoor adventures. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item.
Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Yeti Tundra Hall Portable Wheeled Cooler. The Yeti Tundra Hall Portable Wheeled Cooler is engineered for those who demand toughness and ice retention without compromise. As the first Yeti cooler on wheels, it combines the legendary durability and insulation of the Tundra series with ultimate portability. Its never-flat wheels feature a solid, single-piece construction that resists punctures and impacts, making it reliable on all terrains. The strong-arm handle, made from a welded aluminum with comfortable grips, curves left or right for smooth, heel-friendly towing. Built with roto-molded construction, the cooler is virtually indestructible, capable of handling rugged outdoor environments without issue. Inside, permafrost insulation uses pressure-injected, commercial-grade polyurethane foam in the walls and lid, ensuring that ice stays frozen for extended periods. While the Tundra Hall is not compatible with the dry goods basket, its spacious interior still accommodates plenty of food and beverages for family outings, camping trips, or tailgating. With a focus on durability, functionality, and convenience, this cooler provides a premium solution for adventurers who refuse to compromise on performance. Whether rolling it across sand, gravel, or uneven trails, the Tundra Hall keeps everything cold and ready for enjoyment, proving Yeti's reputation for unmatched quality.
Number 2. RovR 85-Quart Rolling Cooler. The RovR 85-Quart Rolling Cooler offers a versatile and rugged solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Built with all-terrain wheels and a durable handle, it allows effortless maneuvering over sand, grass, and rough trails, making it ideal for camping, beach days, or tailgating parties. Its spacious interior is enhanced by the deep freeze feature, which organizes food and beverages efficiently while maintaining extended ice retention of up to 10 days. Constructed with rotationally molded materials, reinforced by anchor pins, the cooler is exceptionally durable, ready to withstand harsh environments without compromising performance. Security is a key focus. Bullseye latches and a seal-tied gasket keep contents safe, and the option for a bear-proof lock adds peace of mind during wilderness trips. The cooler is also IGBC certified, providing an added layer of confidence in its construction and safety standards. With its combination of mobility, storage capacity, and superior ice retention, the RovR 85-Quart keeps your items fresh and accessible for extended adventures. Its thoughtful design ensures that every outing, from weekends at the lake to multi-day camping trips, is convenient and enjoyable without worrying about melted ice or damaged contents. Number 3. Pelican Elite 70-Quart Wheeled Cooler. The Pelican Elite 70-Quart Wheeled Cooler is designed to meet the demands of serious outdoor adventurers seeking durability, portability, and long-lasting ice retention. It features up to 10 days of ice preservation thanks to its freezer-grade gasket and 2 inches of high-density polyurethane insulation, keeping food and beverages perfectly chilled for extended trips. The built-in trolley handle, combined with molded inside handles, provides flexibility in transport, making it easy to roll or carry the cooler across diverse terrain. In vehicles or boats, Pelican guarantees this cooler for life, a testament to its roto-molded construction and rugged reliability, ensuring it can withstand the harshest environments without compromising performance. Whether hauling it across sand, gravel, or a forest trail, this cooler delivers convenience, durability, and outstanding ice retention. Its thoughtful design ensures that every outing, from weekends at the lake to multi-day camping trips, is convenient and enjoyable without worrying about melted ice or damaged contents.
Number 4. Igloo Trailmate Journey 70-Quart Cooler. The Igloo Trailmate Journey 70-Quart Cooler is a versatile and durable solution for outdoor enthusiasts who need easy transport over challenging terrain.
Its oversized 10-inch never-flat wheels provide exceptional traction and smooth mobility across sand, gravel, or uneven surfaces, while the locking telescoping glide handle allows users to pull heavy loads with 50% less effort. Its large interior accommodates ample food and beverages, making it suitable for camping trips, beach outings, or tailgating events. Designed for functionality and ease, the Trailmate Journey blends superior insulation with thoughtful features that enhance convenience and comfort. Whether rolling across sand dunes or navigating forest trails, this cooler ensures your items stay cold and secure. Its combination of mobility, durability, and smart storage solutions makes it a reliable companion for long outdoor adventures, offering both performance and practicality in one package.
Number 5. Coleman 100 Quart Extreme Wheeled Cooler. The Coleman 100 Quart Extreme Wheeled Cooler delivers a practical, durable, and portable solution for large outdoor gatherings. Fully insulated, it keeps ice for up to 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for beach trips, camping, and tailgates. Its heavy-duty 6-inch wheels and durable tow and swing-up handles allow easy transport even when fully loaded, while the recessed lid design provides extra convenience when accessing contents. Whether rolling across grassy fields, sandy beaches, or paved paths, the Coleman Extreme Wheeled Cooler combines functionality, comfort, and durability, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable large cooler with wheels for all their outdoor adventures. These large coolers with wheels combine durability, spacious storage, and long-lasting ice retention for every adventure. From rugged terrains to backyard parties, they make transport effortless and keep your food and drinks cold. Tech Talk Reviews showcases these top options to ensure convenience, reliability, and performance for all your outdoor activities.